Hello, this is KP Dhirigodar. Now I am going to teach you the duration of time. See one sum I written here. A baby slept at 10:30 a.m. In clock the time was 10:30. That time baby sleeps and wake up by 11:45 a.m. Then mummy sees the time, it was 11:45 am. Then how much time that baby slept? See, am to am. Am means morning to morning. This is also morning. Huh? In real time you can write it as 10:30, 11:45. No changes because it is am. Explanation also no changes morning to morning, isn't it? So here only thing 11:45 minus 10:30, that is 5110. 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes is the duration of the baby sleeping. This is 1 hour 15 minutes it sleeps. Okay. See, if it is so, then what to do? Tell me. Here this is 10:30 it slept. Okay, we go for 9:30. Here in real time we can write it as 0930. It is also morning. 1:50 p.m. it wakes up. And see here, it is what? Real time is 13:50 it is. Because p.m. means we are adding 12. It is noon, we can call it as noon. Then what to do? If it is real time, then directly it is upgraded. See, 9 to 13 it is raised. 9 to 13, isn't it? So directly from 13:50 you are subtracting 9:30. That is 20, and 13 minus 9 is 4, and that baby slept 4 hours 20 minutes. 4 hours 20 minutes. That baby slept 4 hours 20 minutes. If the time of real is not given, simply this much is given. A baby slept 9:30 a.m. and wake up by 1:50 p.m. Then how you have to do is, see, 9:30 to 12 comes, see. Here. Morning 9:30 to morning 12 it slept, na? Yes. And difference between these two we have to find. This is 0 minus 30, we can't. So we have to take 1 hour from our place. This is hour, this is minute. And 1 hour you have to take. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes minus 30 is 30. And 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 hours 30 minutes it is. Then after 12 directly 150 hours it slept. So add that 150. This is 80 and this is what? But we can't write 80 in minute. So 60 minutes make 1 hour. So we given 1, and what remains is 20. 1, 2, 3, these 2 and these 2, 4. Means baby slept 4 hours 20 minutes. If it is usual time, If it is AM PM, we have to take 12, so that we will get up to 12 what it is. This is 2 hour 30 minutes. After 12, it is directly. Huh? Okay. See, one more example I am going to give you. One more example I am going to give. See, what is that example? 4:30, 4:45 evening to morning 11:50. Evening 4:42, what comes now middle? 4:45 evening to 4:45 evening to night 12 crosses 3. So difference between that you have to find. This is 60 minus 40, 45, that is 15. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then after 12 night, we came here 12 night. After 12 night, we are in morning. Morning 11:50 it is. This is 65 and this is 65. We can't write, so we are reducing that 50 and raising it to R place. This is R, this is minute, and this is nothing but 19 or 5 minutes is the difference of these two timings. If a man works from evening 4:45 to 4:45 to morning 11:50 means he worked 19 hours 5 minutes continuously. Okay, 19 hours 45 minutes. Say, this is what see. Another example I am giving you. 4:40 AM to next day 3:10 PM. This day 4:40 AM to next day 3:10 PM. See here 4:40 AM, 12 AM is, see 12 AM is there, isn't it? Then this AM to AM I am finding. This is hour, this is minute. This is 20 because 60 minus 40 is 20. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Still day has not been changed. So next day it is given. So night 12. That is 29:19. Now the date is changed and it is still PM, we have to go, and morning 12. Morning 12 we have to add. See 20 it is, and this is 11:31 hours 20 minutes. Then morning 12, this PM comes, isn't it? Then here day changed, but next day came, whereas this morning 12 and 3 PM. 3:10 it is. It is 30, it is 34. Means 34 hours 30 minutes. If a man sits in a train by 4:50 a.m. Mumbai, he reaches Delhi by next day 3:10 p.m. Then how many hours he sat in train is 34 hours 30 minutes. Okay, how you have to calculate 4:40 a.m. to 12 a.m. Understood? This is 12 a.m. 4:40 a.m. to 12 a.m. and difference is 720 hours. Then this is morning 12 and again night 12 comes, that you are adding, and day changes, next day comes. Up to morning you are taking 12 hours and noon you are taking this. Okay, like this you can do. See, one more example I am giving. One more example I am giving. 1/1/2021's night 11:52 2/1/2021's early morning 1:40. How much time it is? See, date has been changed 1 to 2. Maximum it comes, you are thinking, but very least it is, because here you are in night. Only 10 minutes is required to change into 2's date, isn't it? So night 11:52, night 12, it is 10 minutes. It is hour, it is minute, isn't it? See, it we taken 1 hour, 60 minus 50 is 10 minutes, and 12 minus 12 is 1. And in one date, in first date, the work is done only 10 minutes. In second date, 1 hour 40 minutes it is. So the man worked is 2 dates he used, but he worked only 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes he worked. Okay. See another example. Early morning 1:42, night 11:50 it is. So then how it works? See, the work starts from 1/1/2021, so 1:40 early morning. Then 1:42 12 morning, isn't it? Before lunch 20, and this is 10 hours 20 minutes he worked. Then night 12 comes. This is morning, isn't it? Night 12 comes. Up to that night 12 he worked 22 hours he worked. Then date changed into 2. There morning 12 he worked. In second date he worked morning 12. That is 34 hours 20 minutes he worked. Then up to 11:50 means 70 is 10 and 1 hour 10 minutes, it is 70 minutes minus 60, then it is 46 hours 10 minutes. 46 hour 10 minutes. See, simply explanation changes. Here whole date is used. Only here left is 1 hour 20 minutes, isn't it? And here left is 10 minutes. Total here it is shortage of 2 days. It is 1 hour 50 minutes, it is shortage. Isn't it? That much it worked. See, early morning to morning, morning to night 12, night 12 to date changed morning 12, morning 12 to this is night 11:30, it is 46 10 hours. Here if it is night and if it is so early sum was only 1 hour something it came, whereas here it is 2 days near comes. Got? See, the same sum is given into rain time. 1/1/2021 01 is 402 21/2021 2350. Same type it is. Then here you are going 142 24 hours. You are going 140 to 24 hours because date changes after 24 hours. Here no explanation. Early morning that no explanation. Then here it is 20. This is hour. This is minute. 60 minus 40 is 20. 24 minus 2 is 22. Then directly 2350. That is 70 is nothing but 10, and this is 46 hours 10 minutes. 46 hours 10 minutes. Got here? Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. You have to learn. When you learn, when you practice it, you can take now the challenge book, and there is a chapter of time. There you can learn sums also. You have to practice. Then it is fruitful. Okay. Thank you very much.